Okay.
Thanks, Be the Lion.
Oh shit! Nope.
Yeah, they
mind.
are comfortable headphones.
No, he knows where I am. Sorry.
Oh crap! That's okay.
It's okay. Okay. So I have to hide
Run,
first.
run, run, run.
Oh,
We can
what?
do this.
What?
Okay, run up the
What?
stairs.
What? Oh, hi.
Oh, whoops.
Okay, wrong way.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, he's friendly. Okay, up to the right. There you go. You're doing good. You're doing good. You're good. Oh, my baby. Yes. Yes. Woo! Yes.
Okay.
We nailed it. Okay, so now that we're upstairs, we just keep going left.
Now he's gonna be stalking the hallway though. So.
Oh.
Okay.
Well, it was kind of nice. He like threw you, and then he kind of stared at you, and then
Yeah,
we kept
and then
like
he was like,
bouncing into him.
We
We just kept like hitting him, and then he was just standing there, and then we just ran away. This is OutLast? Yeah, this is OutLast. That parkour. I know, right? Oh, I'm so proud of us. We did so good, you guys. He's friendly.
Okay.
No. I don't know. He
Okay,
was
so
friendly
he
at that
spends a
moment.
while over here actually. Like he doesn't. I thought he was just gonna walk past my room because mine's the first room. Thanks. They all noticed my dancing.
Did he go downstairs?
Oh, possibly. Okay. Let's just
Sick
go.
dance moves. Yeah, you nailed it. Okay, this is good. He's like far away from us right now.
Oh, that's the wrong way. Okay.
Are you sure? That's
Yeah.
not open?
No, that was the way that we came from.
Are you kidding me?
Wait, now I'm confused.
No, it wasn't. I think you can go through there.
No, this is.
Try
oh
it.
no, you're right.